Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the business hub of Jamaica. We're driving through Knutsford Boulevard. We're driving through New Kingston. We're on Tobago Avenue going on to Knutsford Boulevard. So straight ahead is a Scotia branch. And you're going to find all the banks with a location in New Kingston. On the left is NCB, right here is JMMB, Jamaica Money Market Brokers. NCB is National Commercial Bank, and well, Scotia Bank is just Scotia Bank. On the left here now is First Caribbean, CIBC First Caribbean. That bank has changed names so many times. On the left is Victoria Mutual. That's more a building society. I'm not sure they are a commercial bank, but they are a financial institution. Okay, so on the right now is a Porsche dealership. On the left is Starbucks, Pizza Hut, Island Grill, Burger King, Juicy Patties. Of course, now this is typical of what happens in Jamaica. A taxi on the left, a taxi on the right, and they just block the road. They just literally stop in the middle of the road to do what they're doing. They blocked both lanes a while ago, and then now the one on the left is still impeding traffic. I guess it's okay when you put on the hazard lights. And this is the major financial sector business place in Jamaica. And you would not even have police out here monitoring the traffic. Sometimes you have to wonder, really. There was a time where if you did that, you would get a ticket and you would get towed. But now, you don't even see police on the road giving tickets. Nobody's out here giving tickets. And the police station is actually right here on the left. Alright, let's continue the tour. So you have a Chinese restaurant here, and then you have Jamaica National Money Shop straight ahead on the left where the blue building is. And this is actually the police station. They call it a police post. No idea. Okay, so we're going to turn here now and go on to Dominica Drive. There you can clearly see a sign that says no right turn, but I guarantee you nothing will happen by turning right. Okay, there's KFC on the left. You're having restaurants, lounges, bars on the right. Now on the left is the Sagicor Bank building. This is a head office for the Sagicor Bank, and they have a branch at the bottom. We're going to turn right now onto Grenada Crescent, and this on the right, that building is the New Kingston Business Center. It used to be called the New Kingston Shopping Center, but they've renamed it the New Kingston Business Center, and it has a lot of restaurants, bars, food places over there. It also has one or two retail stores, but it's mostly a business thing. Where this is now Trinidad Terrace. So we're now going over Knutsford Boulevard, so we'll turn left here. So on the right, a tall white building is actually the fourth tallest building in Jamaica, and it used to be the Wyndham Hotel, but it's closed and it's now going to reopen under the Courtney name, but that's the fourth tallest building. On the left here, that's the Pan Caribbean building, and that is also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. I don't remember what it is, but it's in the top 10. Alright, so on the left now you have the Pan Jam building, you have IBM over here, you have a Porsche dealership, and this is Barbados Avenue. So we're going to turn left on Barbados Avenue here. And on the right is the R. Danny Williams building, which is also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. It's on the list of the probably top 20. We have another video up with the ranking of the tallest buildings in Jamaica, so you can check it out. Alright, so we're now back on Grenada Crescent, and it's the company's office of Jamaica on the left and the New Kingston Business Center on the right, and all the way on the right it's a New Kingston cinema, but that land it's used as a car park during the day, and I don't think the cinema operates on this side, but on the other side there is another cinema that still operates. The screen is up, and it's a drive-in cinema where you just drive in and watch a movie. But it was Cinema 1 and Cinema 2. This cinema over here, that's where you find Knutsford Express, and KIG has a location over there. And during the day, it's basically used for parking, but it's prime real estate in Jamaica, in New Kingston. Alright, so we are back on Trinidad Terrace. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of these videos and if you have anything to add. Alright, have a good day.